This quick video is going to show you how to add a table of contents into a Google Doc, and I'll do it from the very beginning so that you can see how it's built out. If we first of all just type in a title text for instance, and we highlight that, go up here to this box and make that a title. So this is your first page where your table of contents is going to sit. Now we're not going to do anything with this just yet because we need to build out the document to enable us to have a table of contents. The next thing you do is insert a page break, and then we start building out the document. So I'm going to put some more here, so I'll actually put the name of what I'm doing here. So heading 2, another heading, more headings. Okay, so with this text now, I'm going to make this one a heading 2. So we go back up here and heading 2. Then underneath that we want to have the normal text. Just if you can't see anything here on the left, just click on this icon and it will bring up what you're building out here. So if I include these and then I get to the next one and I do heading 2 again, you'll see now it'll appear here, and the same again for the last one, heading 2 again. This on the left hand side, this shows you what the table of contents is going to look like, and it pulls in headings. It doesn't show you the normal text paragraph, it doesn't bring that into this area here. What I'm going to do is just to add some text that I copied earlier. I'm now just going to pop it under there and pop it under this heading. So if I paste that there, so now what we ideally, when we're building our table of contents, it's going to show the headings, another heading and more headings in this table of contents. So to do that, just put your mouse on the first page and go to insert, and you have to go all the way down to the bottom, table of contents. Now I don't want a numbered table of contents, so I'm going to select second option here, and as you can see, what you're seeing here on the left is what happens here in the table of contents. The way this works then is if you just click once on the text and then select the text that pops up here, this will bring you right down to the area underneath where that information is. Now one other thing I wanted to quickly show you was if you continue to add to that document, so if I make this one a heading 2 again, and then I just paste in that text that the same as what's above. So now I've added to this document. If I go back up to the table of contents, we're not going to see it here, but what you do is you click in the area of the table of contents and then select this refresh icon, and once you do that, it'll bring in what you've just added. So you just have to remember that every time you're adding to this document below here, just remember to go up and refresh, or if ever you're referring to the document, if you think something's missing, just always go up here and refresh and it'll pull in everything that's there. So that's how you make a table of contents in Google Docs.